This is Eric with Deranged Survival, and I'm in a freaking blizzard again. What am I doing? I'm out here with my buddy Matt today.
Hi, what's going on?
We got a fire in the background there. We're gonna cook some steak. Got a little pot hanging over there. We're gonna make some coffee.
Look at the saw hanger.
Oh yeah.
Saw hanger.
Nice cedar tree over there.
We're living the dream.
And just a little hiking. I got a shelter in these woods somewhere, but I seem to have mislocated it. So hopefully one day I'll find it again. But chopped up some wood. Got some wood in the background there drying. Got my poncho set up in the background just to block a little bit of the snow from hitting the fire. But we got a bed of coals brewing. We're gonna get some steak on the fire, boil some water, have some coffee, and just do a little relaxing. No camping tonight. Maybe another weekend. Got some things to do this weekend. But yeah, anything you want to add?
Don't get lost.
We gotta still hike out of here. Hopefully we find our way. But let me show you the campsite. Get a good view of the area. So we got the fire in the background there. Found these large boulders. Hopefully this will be easy to find again. Got our backpacks hanging in the tree there. Got a nice little setup over here. There's two big boulders. It looks like they split and they separated a little bit. If you had to, you can probably just throw some branches over that, lay right in between, stay nice and warm. Put some hot rocks in there or something and lay on top of them. But there's a lot of opportunity over here. Got the fire in the background. Got this big boulder. We can even have the fire right here. We have the rocks up against here. We can make a nice shelter in between these rocks if we wanted to. But yeah, it's a nice area. So I can put some logs on the bottom there just so it creates a barrier between the heat and the cold ground. And we got a nice bed of coals brewing here. Got my log drying station right here. Nice and quick and simple. A little bit of firewood. Got some water in there. We're going to brew some coffee in here. And that's about it. So I'm going to build this fire up a little bit, start boiling some water. And yeah, I'll pull you out when we're munching down on some steak. We got steak, cheese, and buns. You ready? I'm ready. I'm hungry. Got all our gear packed up. Just had some steak in the woods. Hiked out in the area around here today. I tried to look for my shelter, but couldn't find it. Hopefully we can find our way out of here. Cause yeah, it's still snowing. It's been snowing for what, 3-4 hours now? Roughly that. Got my gloves drying a little bit. We're gonna put out the fire and I got out of here. Cause yeah, it's time to go home. No camping today. Just a day hike to enjoy some steak in the woods. But hopefully I'll find my shelter again, and I'll probably pull out the camera a little bit before we head back to the vehicle. But if I don't, I'll see you on the next one. Yeah!
I got one more thing to add. Experiencing it is better than watching it. Get out there and do it.
Yeah!